Alright, so we're gonna be replacing this light. We're gonna taking it down. We're gonna be taking it down and replacing it with a ring floodlight. But we have to change the box because it's a weatherproof handy box. That won't hold the ring light. So I'm gonna have to change that box. And this is the box for it. So this is the box that goes with the type of siding that is on the house. See right there? Has a little slot by the side, so it sits perfectly on the siding. I can mount the device on this. So first I've got to go up there and remove that old one. It's a long way up. Let me see. Probably should take this screwdriver with me. Oh yeah. It's a long way down. Holy crap. Okay. Alright. So this is the light. I'm gonna take it down. Alright, so the light is disconnected. It's just the wire coming out of the wall. You can see right there. There it is. Little fixture. So we're gonna be mounting this up there. Alright, so the box is mounted, so this is how it looks. So you see where it sits. It sits flush on the siding for proper mounting of the device. Alright, that's good. Alright, so now this is the bracket for the ring light. One side is already done. I love using this screwdriver. It makes my work so much easier, less pressure on my hand. There's a ratchet mechanism inside of it. Okay, so the other piece, the next piece, is going to be this. Alright, so this is going to be the next piece to be mounted. Alright, so the ring device base is mounted. Time to get the device and install it. Alright, let's go down. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so the light is connected. Just gonna mount it onto the bracket now, and then we should be done. So there we go, all done. Good to go.